Welcome. In front of me I have the Google Pixel 8 and I'll be doing a test fit of this Ringke case. This is the Onyx Google Pixel 8 dark green eco whatever packaging, whatever. Just a bunch of mumbo jumbo. Let's get into it. And holy crap, this is the strongest and most disgusting glue. Okay, anyway, in here we get the case, and I have to say it looks very similar to the Spigen one, the Spigen Liquid Air. I'll bring that up in a second just so we can kind of compare these, because these are very similar. Though this one, oops, let's close this. This one though feels a little bit stiffer. I'm not necessarily sure it feels better. You can see it protects your camera. That I do have a camera protection already, like applied the tempered glass onto it, so it's a little bit kind of like bulging out because of it. It's not designed to have additional thickness right here, so it won't be fitting just perfectly like it should. Now, one thing that I'm noticing right now, okay, so there is unevenness, as you can see, but this is by design. It's not like just defect of the case, and it is designed, I believe, to protect your screen. So you can see right here where you have the edge of the screen in the middle, it's basically almost going straight with the actual case and the display. While up here it is being protected a little bit more, so you can put your phone screen down like so and not really worry too much. Now, like I said, I want to compare this to the Spigen one, so let me just quickly bring that up here, because these are very similar in how they look like, and I just kind of wanted to show this one because it is very similar, and I think it looks a little bit better over this one. The texture on this one is not really something that I like. This one has a little bit of a better one, so it's softer too, so it's not as harsh in your hand. This one is a bit more rugged feeling, if that's the correct way to describe it. So just to show this one off, there we go. Has a more rounded design in all around, so yeah, a bit nicer in the hand when you're holding it. But in any case, that was the what was the brand here? The Ringke Onyx Google Pixel 8 dark green, just basically a mouthful right here. So anyway, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.